Yeah, what I want to show in this video is how we can fit an additional range of visors to the Manta helmet. The three visors that we do as standard is the stainless steel mesh visor, the shade tritracetape visor, and a clear polycarbonate visor. So by adding one of these, you then change the role of the Manta helmet. So with the mesh visor, that then becomes a forestry helmet. With the shaded visor, it then becomes a hot cutting helmet. And with the clear visor, it then becomes a strimmer helmet, cutting helmet, whatever you need it to be. Now, to fit these onto the Manta helmet, there are two options, and this depends whether you need ear defenders or you just need the visor. If you just need the visor, we have what we call back plates, which is the back plate of the ear defender. So they clip into the helmet and then the visor clips on, so I'll show in a minute. Or you can do it through ear defenders. We do two types of ear defenders. We do the Peltor as standard and we do the swording. So to fit the visor, first of all, I'll show you without the ear defender, then with the ear defender. So we use a swording, pair of back plates. Now we insert the blade, it's what we call the blade of the back plate, and it's the same on the ear defender, they all have blades. The blade is designed to lock into the helmet, into the slot. As you can see, the Manta on either side has a moulded slot. You take the blade and you push the blade into the slot. It's nice and firm. The slots are 28mm and the blades are 28mm. If you've got a 30mm slot, it won't fit in a Manta helmet. Take the other side. And that then locks in. Then you select your visor. For this one, we'll use a shaded visor. So that will turn the Manta into a hot cutting helmet. You take your visor carrier. Now the visor carrier is standard, whether you've got a Peltor, a swording, or whatever visor you want to use on the helmet. The idea of the visor is when it's on the helmet, it allows it to pop up and down. So to fit the visor, as you look at the visors, they all have the same. So they've all got the same slot in the top, which allows any of these three into this carrier. So we select the Shade 5 visor. On the visor carrier, you've got a clip there, and a clip there, and a slot. So to fit it, you insert the clip into the slot and press, push it into the slot, and then bring it round, and the visor is then fitted. To fit that onto the helmet, you flip up the visor arms, turn, and then insert that into the posts. So you've now got a slight tweak, a Manta helmet that is used by fire brigades for thermite lance cutting. Okay. Now, if you then needed hearing protection, it's the same principle. So let's take this option off, which is there. So you take your ear defenders, whether it's swording, Peltor, you turn the back plate round to make it easier to access the blade. You take the blade, you push it into the slot. Move the ear defender out the way. Blade into the slot. Okay, and on this one, same visor carrier, we'll turn it into a forestry helmet. So we take the stainless steel mesh visor, and you can see you push the clip in. Try to start from this side, push the clip in, like so. Bring it round into the slot and lock it round. Extend the arms again, turn your helmet, and then once again you take the arm, push it into the slot, like so, like so, and then there is your forestry combination unit.